Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be how to make a lippan art with a cardboard. So in the last video we saw the items, that was a haul video. We saw all the items that we need for lippan art, and today's video is a beginner's tutorial to making a lippan art with cardboard. So the end product is going to look something like this, and we are going to start the video without any further ado. So let's begin, and I'll see you at the end of the video. So first we are going to take a cardboard of the desired size and shape, and we'll cover it with the cardstock paper like so. Once this is done, it's going to look something like this, and we will also take another cardboard of a smaller size and cover it with another cardstock paper, and this should be the final result. So once that is done, we are gonna start doing our uh, main artwork on this cardboard, which should look something like this. So let's take this cardboard first. Second thing we'll be using is the clay. This is terracotta clay. So this was 950 grams originally. We're going to start using this clay. The third is a knife to cut the clay and also for shaping. It is any sharp object like a pencil or a pen to poke holes into the clay to create a design, and a plastic wrap for us to mold the clay onto. So let's begin with molding the clay. We are going to cut a small piece of this clay. Be very careful. Once you take the desired portion out, wrap the clay in a plastic sheet or a box for it to not harden very quickly. So this is how I am wrapping it back inside the same plastic sheet, and will be storing it back inside the same box so that it does not harden. So this is the amount of clay that we are using for our craft today. So let's start molding the clay now. Make sure you use small bits at a time, and the rest of the clay has to be covered in a tissue paper like I'm using, or also you can also use a damp cloth. So now we're going to start shaping the clay. Make sure you use this part of your hand itself, because it's sort of flat. If you use your fingers, they're going to be ridges on the clay. So this is how I'm elongating the clay with the help of my palm, and the desired result should be something like this. Once that is done, we're going to start sticking it onto the cardboard. You can also take 2 to 3 layers of cardboard and stack it on together, and then that will be much more sturdier. So now we'll stick the clay with the help of glue. Okay, so this is how it looks, and we're going to stick all the other 3 parts as well. This is how it should look, and now we're going to start making the design with the help of a pencil. Just poke in holes inside the glue like so on all the 4 corners of the cardboard. You can also use various other tools to create different sort of designs. This is how it looks. Now we're going to start making the center part of it, not the center, the other outer layer, inside layer of this cardboard. So these are the both layers that we've completed. Now let's make the flower. So after taking the clay, we're going to make a small ball out of it and flatten it out, and then we're going to paste it in the center of this cardboard like so with the help of a glue. we are going to further flatten it out in order to give it a flat look, exactly like the one in the other cardboard. Now we are going to poke some holes with the help of a pencil to give it a nice look. So the center portion of this is done. Now let's move on to the petals. For the petals, we are also gonna use the same technique, but we're just gonna make a round ball, and then with the help of our fingers shape it into the size of a petal, like so. So once that is done, we're gonna make all the 6 petals and paste it with the help of a glue in the similar manner. For the petals to get its shape, we're going to use a knife. Since this is for the beginners, I'm using the very basic tools that we all have at home. You can also get a lot of clay modeling tools out in the market that also can be used. So let's make 4 another small balls to put it at the corner, like so. Now we are going to start decorating the piece with mirrors. This is how I'm arranging the mirrors. You can use mirrors of different sizes and shapes as well. I'm using triangular mirrors as well as round mirrors for this artwork. So our artwork is ready. This was the reference that we had taken, and I've also made 2 different small artworks as well with the help of mirror and clay. So now we're going to decorate a wall with these. So this is how the final item turned out to be. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you like, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, in the next video we will be learning how to use this clay and make a lippan art on the MDF boards that we purchased. Also to tell you that this clay is a little bit difficult to handle, and you need to be very careful when you're handling the clay because it's air dry and it instantly dries out. It is very hard when you start working on this clay. It is very hard after a few minutes also to mold the clay. And also on drying out, you need to be very careful that also on drying out, it is going to form, what do you say, it's going to cut into pieces very easily. So if possible, you can try molding the clay with some water, mixing the clay with some water and using it, or else try using a gloss varnish on top as a layer of this artwork that you do at the end, which will help in preserving the whole artwork. So that's it from my end. I hope you like the video, and please show your support, show love just like this, so that it motivates me more to make new videos. Thank you so much once again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.